you to move out, whatever that you are, whatever you pay for today, we're not going to charge. And whatever that you continue to pay, we're going to refund the money back to you. Because what you just said, it doesn't make any sense.
No, I just showed you a video. First of all, what I'm telling you is that he already, your employee witnesses, I told you.
What I'm saying is the stopper, the water goes downward.
Yeah.
Water gravity goes down.
Yes.
And if you, on the first day you checked in, you took a shower, where do you think the water gonna go if you don't let the water drain?
I didn't know that. That's what this is what I'm trying to explain to you. And I told you that before. I'm not coming at you with a problem. You're trying to make it like I'm coming at you with a problem.
The way I'm looking at it, you're making up the problem.
No, I'm not making up the problem, sir. I didn't know anything about a drain. I didn't know anything about a drain. All I knew was that I got in there and the water started filling up a little bit. I could have complained the first time I got here. I didn't say anything. So you're telling me that you're going to refund me for my stay today and the other days that I had.
Correct.
You have to give me time to rebook somewhere else. I've booked here for almost 2 weeks.
No problem. You can rebook right now.
But you have to give me that time. You have to give me that option.
I'll give you an hour. You go rebook it.
You have to give me more than an hour. This is So you're telling me that you don't, and I'm showing you the video, and I showed you the video. All I told you is that I had no rashes showed up. I had skin irritation. That's it.
No, this is it. All right. You can rebook. You can sit here, rebook another hotel.
You can't tell me to sit there. My stuff is up in your room. I have a legal right until then, and I'll call the cops to put my police report on. Cause it just got out of hand real quick for no reason at all. I didn't do anything to you.
I'm gonna wait here and call the cops.
Yeah, let them call them because you have to give me a legal right to rebook another room somewhere. I don't owe you anything. All I'm doing is trying to make sure I'm safe, and you're trying to call me a liar, and I just showed you the video.
Yes, I am calling you a liar.
Well, that's on you. I done stayed at the Model. This cheap hotel ain't nothing to me. I stayed at the Model, and every time you go into a hotel, you go in, turn the water on, and use the shower. You sat there and watched the video. Your employee told you that the stopper wasn't completely. That stopper wasn't completely down. When he came in there, the water was. When you came into my room, sir, the water was out the shower, right? Was it shower water in there? It wasn't no water in there because it drained. It drained out already. There wasn't no shower water in there. I turned it on so you could see it.